Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to get shield skins in Monopoly Go. Acquiring shield skins in Monopoly Go can add personalization and aesthetic appeal to your gameplay. Here's what you're going to do. Complete daily quests. Regularly complete daily quests to earn shield skins as rewards. Achieve milestones. Reach specific milestones such as leveling up or accumulating achievements to unlock shield skins. Collect sets. Gather and complete property sets or thematic collection to unlock unique shield skins. Participate in events. Engage in special in-game events, tournaments, or seasonal celebrations that offer exclusive shield skins. Earn high score. Achieve high scores in minigames or challenges to unlock special shield skin rewards. Buy from in-game shop. Purchase shield skins directly from the in-game shop using coins, gems, or other virtual currencies. Special offers. Take advantage of limited time offer or promotion that feature discounted or exclusive shield skins. Unlock with currency. Use earned game currency such as coins or gems to unlock specific shield skin designs. Subscription benefits. Subscribe to premium membership or loyalty program that offer periodic shield skin reward. Achieve seasonal goals. Meet seasonal goals or participate actively during specific periods to unlock seasonal themed shield skins. Gifts from friends. Receive shield skins as gift from friends or other player in your network. Join community rewards. Participate actively in community to earn shield skins collectively through group achievements. Participate in contests. Enter and win contests organized by the game developers or community for shield skin rewards. Community challenges. Engage in community-wide challenges or events that reward shield skins upon completion. Achieve community milestones. Contribute to achieving community-wide milestones to unlock special shield skins design. And that's how to get shield skins on Monopoly Go. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.